understand. The type of skits I'm on, you wouldn't understand.
What's jamming world? Come with me where me and baby trying to eat healthy. I'm gonna skin up this salmon real fast for you. And then, I ain't gonna really do too much of a good job, so I had to chop him up, add some salt, pepper. You know what I'm talking about? Now I'm gonna make the sauce, soy sauce, ginger, turmeric, little paprika with some vinegar and basil. You know what I'm talking about? Garlic powder. Got the sauce pretty much. You know what I'm saying? Then I'm gonna take some honey, slump that up in there, crush down some garlic. I really just be adding whatever in there. Whatever you like to season with, season it. You know what I'm saying? Crush down the garlic, throw it in there. Cut down the onion, throw him in there. Put the salmon in there. Some orange marmalade one time, you know what I'm talking about? Then we're going to mix it up, let it marinate for 30 minutes or to an hour, however you like. We're going to have rice with this. Not going to show you how to make rice, but we're going to put that in the skillet, let it cook with some carrots. I'm preparing everything else, Throw the lettuce, rice. Look at me.